Really? All the drama? Today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we have partnered with Tre Stelle, and Lisa has whipped up the best summer recipe, orange mascarpone crepes with mixed berry sauce. What's happening? What is happening? I don't know. Let's get started making the crepes. We have some flour,
A little bit of sugar,
eggs, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and just a pinch of salt.
pinch of salt. Do you like that I'm parroting you?
Yes, I like it. So you're gonna blend this for 2 minutes. You want it nice and smooth, and our batter for our crepes is ready.
Go again.
Here we go with the blender. What did you
All of a sudden it was working again. It's like it has a mind of its own, this machine.
Okay, so your crepe batter is nice and smooth, and we're going to take it over to the stove and make our crepes. Over medium heat, we're just going to butter the pan, and you're gonna add 1/4 cup of crepe batter. Swirl it around your pan so it covers it completely and it's nice and thin. Leave it for 1 minute, and as you see the edges browning, you'll be able to lift it up and flip it. And then you'll cook it for 30 seconds on the other side.
Holy crepe, that was easy.
You can make the crepes well ahead of time. Let them cool, and then put wax paper between each crepe, layer them up, and they can stay in the fridge for 2 to 3 days.
Amazing tip, especially if you're having people over.
We're gonna start with the filling by adding the mascarpone.
Isn't that what's in tiramisu?
Exactly, and that's what makes it creamy and so flavorful. And then we're gonna add cream to that, sugar, vanilla extract, and orange juice.
Now?
Now. We're just gonna do this until you see the track lines. So you want it to be thick, but not too thin. It's coming together, you're doing a great job. Look at you.
I feel like I need to lick the beaters.
So to this, we're gonna add some orange zest. You wanna stir?
Yeah.
You're gently folding it in. You don't wanna lose that nice whip that you have. Now we're gonna fill the crepe. So you're gonna put 2 tablespoons right down the center and 1 more little spoon. Now with crepes, you can either roll them or fold them. So for these, we're gonna just fold them in half, fold them again, and plate them. And we're gonna add a fresh berry sauce either over top, or you can put it on your plate.
Put it over top, Lily.
You're ready to taste this, aren't you?
Yeah.
I can see that. And I guess I'm filling the rest and you're eating?
This is a thing of beauty. I need a fork.
Dig in. Were you waiting for me to say dig in?
I know the rules in Lily's kitchen.
That was really polite.
I'm a little bit drooly, not gonna lie.
For this recipe, see below.
Give it the thumbs up, subscribe to our videos, and go to TreStelle.ca for more delicious, cheesy recipes. Can I keep going?
Yeah, go ahead. You take like really big bites. If you were...
I'm not delicate. Really good though.